During peak traffic hours, users started complaining about slow connections. Dashboard showed packet loss everywhere. Everyone assumed the bandwidth was maxed out. But one engineer knew that something else was at play. Today, we uncover why packet loss doesn't always mean bandwidth problems, and how to fix it before users even notice. Networks face stress every day, especially during peak usage hours. Packet loss can happen for many reasons, and bandwidth is just one of them. Dashboard and monitoring tools are helpful, but they can often show symptoms, not cause. Let's see what actually happened in a real scenario. When packet loss shows up, the first instinct is often to blame bandwidth saturation. After all, high traffic makes sense. But in our case, bandwidth usage wasn't within limit. That's when the engineer decided to dig deeper. Tools don't always tell the full story. The engineer checked multiple layers of the network, including switch and router logs, queue length and buffer drops, and application traffic patterns. It turned out that intermittent congestion on a particular switch port caused the packet loss. Small queues overflowed during bursts of traffic, creating symptoms identical to a bandwidth bottleneck. Once the root cause was identified, the engineer implemented solutions. 1. Adjusted buffer sizes on the switch. 2. Applied quality of service for high priority traffic. And 3. Optimized application traffic patterns. Within minutes, packet loss disappeared, and dashboard returned to green. This case shows that packet loss is not equal to bandwidth saturation. Symptoms are not causes. Always investigate logs, queues, and traffic patterns before reacting. Proactive monitoring and QoS can prevent issues during peak hours. In short, don't chase bandwidth when the real problem hides elsewhere. Technology alerts us, but human judgment solves the mystery. The best engineers don't just react. They analyze, validate, and optimize. Skills like observation, troubleshooting, and patience are what separate good engineers from great ones. Let's recap. 1. Packet loss during peak hours isn't always bandwidth. 2. Check logs, queues, and traffic patterns. 3. Apply QoS and proactive monitoring. 4. Always let human insight guide automation. Remember, tools alert, humans solve. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and turn on notifications for more real-world networking cases. Share your own network troubleshooting stories in the comments. Let's solve them together. Thanks for watching, and I would see you in the next one.